Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the features of cloud workflows. The first one is redundancy and fault tolerance. With the help of this cloud workflows, you will be able to replicate across multiple zones. So you will be able to have backup and the availability is also high so that if something happens, you will be not able to lose the data and also you will be able to have multiple backups as well across zones. The next point is checkpoint state after each step. So you will be able to implement this checkpoint state. So ensuring the executions will continue even after any outages or failures. So in case of any failures, you will be able to implement this retry mechanisms, timeouts, like you can increase the timeouts and also any custom error handling as well. So you can mention it like retry for 2 times or 3 times, or after 20 minutes or after 20 seconds or after 30 seconds you can just retry it. And also you can implement your own custom error handling also. And the next feature is self documenting. So since there is no dependency on any programming languages, it is very simple. Like if you know how to write YAML, or if you know how to read and understand JSON files, right, you will be able to write it and you will be able to execute it as well. So it is easy to visualize, understand and observe. So in the next video, when we are doing it practically, I'll be able to show it how you will be able to visualize and you can understand and observe it as well. I'll show you that. And the next point is wait up to 1 year. So cloud workflows also run for long days, like you can extend up to 1 year initially, or by default it is 30 minutes, but you can extend it to 365 days also. And connectors, which means you will be able to connect to different services, right, like Google Cloud, BigQuery, Bigtable. Connectors provide blocking steps for many Google Cloud services with long running operations. And the next one is event driven schedule and programmatic triggers. So event driven means you will be able to orchestrate cloud functions with the help of this cloud workflows, and cloud workflows will be scheduled and programmatically triggered with cloud schedulers also. And workflow executions are low latency inside cloud workflows, and it supports both real time and batch processing. And the next one is HTTP callbacks. So with the help of this cloud workflows, you will be able to orchestrate any HTTP based workflows. The next point is security. So workflows run in a sandboxed environment and have no code dependencies that will require any security patches. And the next point is you will be able to store and retrieve secrets from the secret manager, which is again another service inside Google Cloud Platform. And the next one is seamless authentication within Google Cloud. So you will be able to orchestrate any Google Cloud product or service with the help of this cloud workflows. And the next one is integrated logging and monitoring. So you provides out of box integration with cloud logging and monitoring. You will be able to log everything inside a cloud workflows. In the next video, when you are doing it practically, I'll show you how to log value, like as an info or as a warning or as a error. And the next one is fast deploys. So with the help of this cloud workflows, you will be able to deploy in second. And also it supports a fast developer experience and quick production changes. And the last one is low latency execution. So with the help of this cloud workflows, you will be able to execute very fast. So fast scheduling of workflows execution and transition between steps. And also with cloud workflows, you will be able to predict the performance with no cold starts. These are some of the features of cloud workflows. So by this, we are coming to the end of this video. If you have any questions, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. Happy learning.